Hello, friends. Today I'm going to talk about social bubble. In order to control the coronavirus pandemic, governments decided to shut their countries and lock people down. This was the only solution nations could find when they didn't have any medicine or vaccination for it. This was the toughest decision nations had to take. No one knew how long the lockdown would remain. It's been more than 2 months now, and people under lockdown have started to have cabin fever. Besides, locking the countries have severely impacted the economies of the countries, and a vaccine still looks far-fetched. In these tough times, government had to take tougher decisions of releasing the lockdown. So few nations came up with an approach which allowed them to open the country in a controlled manner, and it was called the social bubbling. New Zealand and Britain were one of those nations to implement this approach. So what is a social bubble? It is like a container where a person chooses to be in with some fixed number of people. These are the people who you live with and come into contact with every day. The idea is to allow a little more social interaction while still severely limiting the overall number of other people with whom an individual might come into contact. For instance, you and your family locked inside the house are already your social bubble, as you are not wearing any mask when you are in the house living your normal life. Now add a few more people from outside to your social bubble. While adding these people, make sure these people are only interacting within your social bubble and they are not exposed to the people outside your bubble. The social bubble concept may not have spread everywhere yet, but it's starting to feel like a potential next step towards lifting lockdowns everywhere. Social bubble will help us in de-stressing our mind and come out of this cabin fever while maintaining social distancing. This approach can prove to be successful for office and industry environments where the whole workforce can be divided in small social bubbles. Whether the countries are following this approach or not, while lifting the lockdowns, this is one thing that we can consider by ourselves in order to remain safe. Because let's be honest here, we cannot stay at home forever, and a possible vaccination for this is still going to take some time to reach the common people. Guys, please leave a comment. What other social groups can we have other than a social bubble for office? Can we include our grocer in our social bubble? Remember, prevention is better than cure. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.